Yes, we are almost there. We are almost there. And perhaps you have no idea what I am talking about. Well, in previous videos, I share that I decided in the end of December 2022 to leave the Netherlands and head for seaport Blankenberge to celebrate New Year's Eve over there. And wow, we had some stormy weather to get there. But today we are leaving seaport Zeebrugge and then we arrive finally in Blankenberge. And it looks like this. Okay, engines are ready. Port camera, recording, starboard, recording, rear, recording. We are live! Hello everybody! As you can see, there's approximately 2 meters behind me and the Yeti. I already released the stern line and the bow line, so we only have the line in the middle right now. Okay, are you ready? I am. Let's go. Okay, that was an easy release. Let's see. Enough power, very nice. I will go a little bit towards the center and then I go backwards. Ooh, there's a lot of wind. Still a lot of wind. More than I expected. Way more than I expected. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I manage it. A little bit forward, a little bit backwards. Face forward with the starboard camera. The catamaran is from Hamburg, from Germany. Oh, I would love to have something like that. The comfort of a trawler and a sailboat. And look how nice we do the tank turn. Okay, here we go. Okay. Well, leaving the Yeti was other than I expected. I would have hoped, but okay, finally we succeeded. Port control Zeebrugge, Lady Liselot. Ja meneer, een hele goede morgen. Lady Liselot die is op dit moment nog in een van de marina's en die is voornemens om de haven te verlaten en dan gaan we richting Blankenberge. Kan dat?
Lady Liselot, ja is wanneer je mag uitvaren toestaan. Goed stuurboordkantje aanhouden, want ik heb inkomend verkeer.
Oké, goed stuurboordkantje aanhouden en ik hou rekening met het inkomend verkeer. Dankjewel, goeie wacht. Nice. Okay. Let's switch on the navigation lights. It is bright weather, but nevertheless I will have the lights on. I am sweating as if I have done a workout. Well, Henk-Jan, as if you know how a workout feels like. Oh, sweaty. I have a shirt and a winter sweater. So now I know why it is called a sweater. Whew. Whilst leaving the marina, I see the spot over there. If you have seen my previous video of me arriving at Zeebrugge, then you see me in that spot and you see me looking at the entrance of the marina. Where is the entrance? I only see a wall. And then I face the left port, and then I see a huge entrance, this one. And I think, oh, it's over there. Because I was watching my chart plotter looking for the entrance, because I have not been here before. So I thought, well, where is the entrance? Where's the entrance? And I was looking on the chart plotter and in front of me. And then all of a sudden, have a look, 30-40 meters of entrance of the marinas. Yeah. You have to laugh about your own stupidities, don't you agree? And if you do not agree, at least I do laugh about my own stupidities. Oh, that it was something. Wow, we have the current with us, that is for sure. Have a look on the pile over here. I think we have the Belgian Navy over here. Not all boats, I guess. Okay. So we have a tugboat in front of us. 2 are moored and 1 is floating. And then there is this roll on, roll off. Norski. And over here you see even more Navy vessels. Yep. Over there are some ferries. And I only see movement in front of me, not beside me. Oh yeah, okay. It is empty, as you can see. So I will go to the yellow buoy over there and then we go out. Port control, Lady Liselot.
Lady Liselot, port control.
Ja, een hele goede morgen. Zoals je ziet ben ik inmiddels bij jullie in de haven. En ik zou graag naar Blankenberge willen. Nou is mij gevraagd om aan het goede kantje te blijven, maar dan moet ik zo meteen weer de haveningang oversteken. Vind je het goed dat ik scherp aan het verkeerde kantje ga varen?
Lady Liselot, ja, dat is goed, maar geen probleem. Die ga je toch passeert, dus wees maar volledig aan de westkant.
Oké, ik blijf aan de westkant. Dankjewel. Goeie wacht. So now I will stay on the west side. This is west. As much as possible. And then the moment that we have left the harbor, we can go port to Blankenberge. And we can benefit the protection of the shore. All right. This was port control, and I have to report at Zeebrugge traffic center also. I will do in a minute. It is really only 10-12 kilometers from here. So the moment that I am out, I will set a pointer and then I know my bearing towards Blankenberge entrance. 69. Traffic Center Zeebrugge, Lady Liselot.
Lady Liselot, Traffic Center Zeebrugge.
Een hele goede middag, goedemorgen is het nog. Lady Liselot die verlaat zometeen de haven van Zeebrugge en is voornemens om richting Blankenberge te gaan.
Oké, bent u een motorjacht of een zeiljacht?
Ik ben een motorjacht.
Oké, dat is ontvangen. Terwijl tijdens standby blijven op dit kanaal alstublieft en u ook melden op kanaal 71 voor poortcontrole.
Ja, ja ik heb me al afgemeld bij poortcontrole. Die weten dat ik naar buiten ga. Dank u wel, ik blijf standby op dit kanaal. Oké, let's do a quick round. Is there any stuff that can fall the moment that we go outside? Well, I've been in the kitchen, I've been in the saloon, I've been downstairs already. In my own cabin, everything is stowed on the bed, laying down. Outside there was a warning of 25, 30 and even 35 knots of wind. Okay, here we go. Hello North Sea. Bye bye Zeebrugge. Well, actually these are very nice waves to catch because they are almost on the bow. Let's say, how much is it? 25, 30 degrees. Over there I see Blankenberge already, and these are quite some waves, but have a look. We are already in the deeper area right now. We are talking about 17, 18 meters of depth. But hey, if you have the current going west and the wind coming from the west, southwest, it always causes some waves. Ladies and gentlemen, captain from the fly deck. It's a little bit stormy outside. Stormy weather. We talk about 28, 29, 30 knots of wind as expected. And now we have an enormous lot of rain at the moment. The bearing towards Blankenberge is 225. And I decided to steer manually because I heard my autopilot make the sound of whip, 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 constantly correcting because it is moved like that. I have also increased the speed a little bit, at least the RPMs, so both engines are now running on 1700 RPM, giving us a speed of 11 kilometers. And normally I would have gone much faster, but yeah, with these breakers, this is the speed the boat will go. In 500 meters we are at the entrance of Blankenberge. Wow, what a journey. It was a little bit more rough than I had expected. But I guess that is because of last night. There was a, is it a gale warning? 7 or 804. So the sea had the chance to build up a little bit already. And then we have current against wind. Wow, have a look at the heeling angle of the boat. Whew. Just a couple of waves. But we are in the protection of the stakastel, as it is called, the wooden pier. I think I was at Venice Beach. You also have a wooden pier, isn't it? And I was at Brighton in England, and I believe that they have a wooden pier also over there. Well, nowadays it is concrete, at least on the starboard side. This one is concrete, and that one perhaps still is wood. Okay, welcome in Blankenberge. Years ago, when in the Netherlands it was not possible or even illegal to tank red diesel, I went with my sailing cutter to Blankenberge, to this pontoon, and fill her up with red diesel. Nowadays red diesel, I believe in the whole Europe, is not available and illegal for recreational boaters. The commercial barges still use it. Ah, I can moor in front of these boats. That is nice. I will try to do so. Okay, let's see if I can bring the boat close to the Yeti. So, ready. They have an app over here also, iMarina. You can scan the QR code and then it registers everything. And now I will connect shore power. Well, I do not need it because my 24 volts battery bank, house bank, is on 26 volts. So it is full. How about a cup of coffee? Coffee time! It was some kind of labor getting into the marina with the wind astern, 20-25 knots of wind, pushing the boat a little bit forward. So let's have a cup of coffee first, and then I will go for some groceries, because on the last day of December 2022 I want to buy some snacks for tonight. And then we will make a tour through Blankenberge, and I hope that you will join me. But first, coffee time. And here we are in Blankenberge. We are at our destination, the destination of this journey. Woohoo! And like I said in the footage, I also created a virtual reality video of me walking through Blankenberge. And when that will be available on the channel, I have no idea. For now, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and if you do, please give me the thumbs up, because it helps the channel a lot. In receiving thumbs up, in views, in watching until the end, etc, etc. There are so many KPIs, key performance indicators, for us as creators on YouTube to get higher in the ranking. Well, anyhow, it was a pleasure to have you on board, and hope to see you in the next video. Alright? Bye bye then.